We're gonna make a movie, okay? Little girls walking all alone in the jungle, or skipping, and then a giant monster comes out from beside her. Oh, and then she dies.
I don't want to fall down in the house.
Loser.
But you have to pretend that's what happened.
Now what if all of a sudden
Stop it. Show me laying on the ground and start it again.
what if the world all of a sudden starts getting attacked and I'm videotaping this? I'm so startled.
That's not a tree, that's wicked.
It is a wicked tree. What is this? It's a tombstone. Tarzan has definitely killed before. Well, I know. There's, look at Allison. This is gonna be a good video. Okay, let's go swimming. Look, people have gone down before. People have gone down over here before. Okay.
They didn't have good jeans on. I wasn't afraid of rattlesnakes. We could go walk through the water.
A rattler.
It's rather chilly out.
Just go down over here.
No, worse than rattlesnake, water moccasins.
Yeah. Rattlesnakes just
Moccasins.
popped in my head. It's not really
Like
what
shoes?
No, gotcha. Like snakes. You can see where people walk through there. Look at the
I know.
footprints. It's disgusting.
That's furry.
Where?
Over here.
There's a man